Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see hidden following lists on TikTok. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to see your or someone's hidden following list here on TikTok, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, hiding your following list on TikTok is a security feature that TikTok actually added way before. Now, typically, in order for if you want to use it yourself, because obviously you can use it, other accounts can use it. How do you use it? Well, at the top right, you should see a three-bar icon in your profile. Now you want to go and click on settings and privacy. You want to go and scroll down a bit here, go to interactions, and you want to look for the option that says following list. Now you can go and just click on it and just choose the only option. So whenever someone actually tries accessing your follower list here, they will be blocked from accessing your followers. So typically it's going to say this person actually hidden or hid their follower list here, unable to access. Now, if you're trying to access or if you're questioning or asking the question, can you actually see someone's follower list if they have this turned on? Well, the direct and simple answer to that is currently there's no going around this security feature. Now, like what I said, this is a security feature that TikTok added into certain accounts. So, meaning again, there's no workarounds or loopholes or any type of cheat that you could do here to see someone's follower list. Now, this is how TikTok is currently built right now. But yeah, so unfortunately, that's the current case right now for TikTok, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.